Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Strange and Trippy. And guys, on this one, we have another new burger from McDonald's. This one is the Chipotle Barbecue Quarter Pounder. Guys, leave it in the comments if you've tried this burger. Let me know what your thoughts were. And let's get right into it. It has double cheese. It has Chipotle sauce on it. It has pickles, frizzy onions, and let's get right into it. Smoky Chipotle. Definitely taste the double cheese. Frizzy onions are nice and crispy. Well, what would I give this for spice wise, guys? Probably a 1 out of 5. For taste, I'd have to give this a 5 out of 5. Tastes very good, very nice and smoky, like I said, guys, with the Chipotle sauce. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Leave it in the comments what you guys think, and we'll see you again.